Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix EXPLORER.exe crashing Windows 11. We will start by right-clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the Task Manager. In this window, select the Windows Explorer. When you do, click on Restart Task located at the top. We will wait for the environment to be loaded again. Open the Task Manager again. There, you will right-click on the Windows Explorer and then choose the option End Task. You will see that the environment disappears. In the Task Manager window, click on Run New Task. There, enter the command EXPLORER.exe. Check the box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK and wait a moment for the environment to be loaded again in Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.